Good evening. Tonight we're going to learn parts of the house such as garage, kitchen, living room, and bedroom. Let's start with the garage. To say garage in Tagalog, that would be garahe. Kitchen is kusina. Living room is salas. Restroom is banyo, and bedroom is kwarto. Also, for houses that has laundry room or basement, we usually just use the English word for it, basement or laundry room, since we really don't have a Tagalog word for that. Also, with restroom, I haven't heard comfort room or CR being used here in the US, but when you go in the Philippines, you would hear the English word restroom or CR being used. Usually it's CR, restroom. I also heard toilet, but she was usually the two, restroom and CR or comfort room. And let's go review. For garage, that's garahe. Kitchen is kusina. Living room is salas. Restroom or CR is banyo. And bedroom is kwarto. So if you wanna ask where is the restroom, that would be saan. Where means saan. Saan ang banyo. Ang or the. Where is the restroom? Saan ang banyo or saan ang kusina or kitchen? Saan ang garahe? Saan ang kwarto? And tomorrow we're gonna learn more of the W questions such as when, what, which. Okay, for now, good night. Until tomorrow.